Welcome to Cheen's Art Channel. Subscribe and join the colorful with me. Hi everyone, I'm Cheen. Welcome back to the channel. This is part number 6 of my special series, DIY Christmas Decor, 9 Simple Holiday Canvas Ideas. Today, we're painting a simple Santa Claus face on a mini canvas. I've chosen a bright pink background for this one to give it a fresh, modern feel. We'll be focusing on layering white for his fluffy beard and adding a few ho-ho-hos to fill the space with cheer. Grab your paints and your mini canvas. All set? Let's start painting. Our simple Santa Claus face is complete. I love how the pink and red look together, it's such a happy piece of holiday decor. Don't forget to let your finished painting dry completely before adding any final touches. Remember, acrylics are all about practice, so just enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out the full playlist for the other holiday canvas ideas. Next up, we are painting a beautiful festive Christmas wreath. You can find the link to the playlist and the next video right in the description box below. Thank you so much for painting with me today. I hope you have a wonderful, creative day. I'll see you in the next video.